So one thing I want to tell you, I see more people get in trouble over sales tax now than anything else. And I want you to remember that sales tax doesn't belong to you. Sales tax is a pass through. And what you're going to do is, if you had $30,000 in sales and $2,500 in sales tax, the first thing you're going to do, so you don't get in trouble, is you're going to take that money out and put that in your sales tax bucket or bank account and make sure that's in there. You're way more you're way more liable to get audited by a local and state government over sales tax than the IRS ever will. The IRS is overworked. They couldn't figure it out, couldn't find you. Those are way, way rare. Most accountants that you talk to will tell you that sales tax and for local and county agencies will get you in trouble way faster. So as that money comes in, one of the first things we're going to do is send the sales tax straight to its final resting place before we process it. And we're going to leave it there. We're not going to use it. We're not going to buy a truck with it. We're not going to do anything else with it. Out of sight, out of mind.